Once upon a time, aspiring novelist Greg stumbled upon an old, dusty typewriter at a garage sale. The seller winked and said, "It's got character." Greg lugged it home, eager to start his masterpiece. But as soon as he typed, the keys clacked back with attitude. He wrote, "It was a dark and stormy night," and the typewriter spat out, "Oh, how original. Never heard that one before." Confused, Greg tried again. The hero bravely entered the haunted mansion. The typewriter replied, "Brave, he tripped over the welcome mat twice." Determined, Greg typed, "The villain revealed his evil plan." The typewriter shot back, "Spoiler alert, it's world domination, yawn." Frustrated, Greg yelled, "Can you write anything without sarcasm?" The carriage dinged and typed, "Sure, once upon a time, an author thought he was in charge. The end." Greg sighed, realizing the only thing haunted was his dream of a serious novel. The typewriter, still typing, with sass. And just when Greg thought he'd had enough, it clacked out one last line. "Maybe try a blog. Less pressure, more memes." Greg laughed, realizing this haunted typewriter wasn't just sarcastic, it was brutally honest.